Good afternoon, I am Apurva Kundu. Today I want to see you my homemade garden sprayer which is operated by a 6-volt emergency light battery. It is functioning very good. I share my work with you. If you interested you can do it. I try to see you step by step so that you can do it. It is my sprayer which I create. It's a sprayer pump. I purchased it from local shop. Its maximum lifting capacity, that means LPM, liter per minute, is 5. But when I operate it 6 volt, its LPM is less than actual LPM. Generally it is operated by 12 volt battery, but I want to operate it at 6 volt battery. But in 6 volt battery it is well function well. A pump has two wire, green is negative and red is positive. And in the left side it is connect with suction pipe, and in the right side it connect with delivery pipe. In the upper portion of the pipe a small arrow which denotes its delivery. In the lower portion there are two red wire which is connected with the motor, and in the lower parts there are 4 clips. You can remove it from the motor. It is a 4.5 ampere 6 volt emergency light battery. I collect it from an emergency light. Its pole has damaged, but it is not a factor. I will connect it with it is switch. I will use it for start or stop the motor. It is connector. Next it is connector.
It is charging socket.
I will use to charge the battery. But all the spare component, handle, lock, connector pipe is available in agricultural shop. You can purchase it from easily. It will cost maximum 200 to 250. I will purchase all this component at 500 to 80 rupees. And I use this battery collect from an emergency light, because it is not I charging and with an adapter, so it is I have not purchased it. I use all this material to make my sprayer, and I use a 10 liter color basket as a tank, because it has in my one it is handle, it is sprayer rod for thrusting water, it is box, a small plastic box where I can set a pump, a battery and other accessories. It is a 10 liter basket cover. On the cover I fix this box because of hardness. Follow step by step. Just I fix it and show that it is possible or not. Pump and battery is not setting, so I remove one clip. It is not a problem, because when I set it, it will not move anywhere. Yes, that's okay. Then I will fix it. Just I try to after setting I open the box and remove all the spares, pump, battery, and try to set the pump fast, because if the pump move then the pipe or connector will be displaced. First I mark with a marker pen so that you can find the hole. After marking suction pipe or delivery pipe hole, also mark suction or delivery pipe in place, because I mark it. Then I want to make hole on the box by using solder iron. 3 for pump and 1 for drainage. If any water enter in the box, then it will be drained through this hole. Then I want to fix it with a basket cover. Fix it by using screw. It takes sometimes, but it is not too much tough. But you must fix it, otherwise it will move. Next I want to fix the switch, and again I want to hold it to fix the switch. Ready? Then I remove the cover and third it's okay. Then I try to connect it for the charging socket. I have already fixed the charging socket because it will take more times and video will be lengthy. So I fix the charging socket with battery, positive with positive and negative with charging socket negative. Then I remove all the thing, and next I try to connect the section and delivery pipe holes. With solder iron I make a large hole, so that suction pipe or delivery pipe can easily enter in this hole. Just I connect to suction pipe because suction pipe is small. Then I connect to delivery pipe. Delivery pipe is large, and a clip is also fixed with delivery pipe, because if you stop the switch and they create a long high pressure, if fixed with a clip, then it will open. Fixed with suction pipe. And next I enter all the pipe section delivery pipe in the box. I try to fix it. It's okay. Suction pipe or delivery pipe is fixed. Next I am to fix it with the color baskets cover with the box. try to fix all the screws so that it cannot move. Just tweak it. Try to place the battery on side, and connector of the battery is already fixed. One already disconnected, only one pole is disconnected, that is red, power positive. I connect it through switch so that it can power on off. Then I try to fix the charging socket. It is ready. It is necessary to charge this battery. It is ready. Now I testing it. So just see, the spare is functioning very well. I want to see you the whole part of the spare. It is just see, its spare is functioning very good. Connecting pike head dell. We connect with it with my container. Just stop it. It will stop. Again, I want to see you. Thank you for watching.